Hello everyone. Okay, today I'm going to show you the manufacturing order video. First of all, we go to production manager, manufacturing order, new manufacturing order. Okay, the manufacturing order will be auto generated by the system. Okay, so we do is go to the build part number, add in the part number. This is the BOM from my previous BOM. Remember, my BOM revision is A. Okay, I would like to add in the quantity. Okay, from warehouse, we are able to choose which warehouse does it go. For example, I will go for location 1 and default. Okay, so the build quantity, I will put it 1000. Okay, and let's say you're afraid that there might have some reject. We suggest that you add 10% for that. So will be 1100 pieces. Okay, and then add in the completion date. Let's say like today is 3rd, then you add in the completion. This part will be shipped out on 11, okay, or maybe 12. Then we give it until 6th of May. This part must be completed. Okay, after it's done, you need to save. Okay, on save, you can see all the material that required for the product to be run using all this material. The routing, the bill of routing, the cost, required cost, total cost. Okay, upon complete, it will have the completed cost and the required variance will show what's the variance on that. Okay, now we proceed to release MO. Okay, now we proceed to process operation, shop operation. Okay, we have two options. One is normal shop operation, which you use your mouse to click. Another one is by barcode scanner. I would say that barcode scanner will be better because whatever time used by the operator will be imposed into the system. As for normal shop operation, your operator might be cheating. Okay, I didn't say that you're cheating, but it might be cheating. Okay, so now we proceed to that. Okay, let's say now we start the quantity for the injection process. 1100 for this. Then in the start and then post, it will ask if you have this 1100 item for the operation injection. Yes, completed successfully. Then the system will show 1100 here. And then for this, we need to go to completed. Okay, completed here without any reject, and normally I will put 8 hour. Okay, and then proceed to post again, and you will see the 1100 pieces and zero balance for that. So as for the packing, we will proceed to start and post. Again, you see the balance is 1100 and the completed is 0. So we choose the second line and go to the complete. Okay, for packing, I'll put 8 hours as well. This is just an example. You may adjust it according to your work center. Okay, and post. And now you have completed the shop operation. Okay, you may close this and you can see total build quantity, all these are completed. Okay, completed 1100 pieces. Okay, and the status is closed. Thank you for watching. Bye.